kituar, sinogo kituar. Taso! Garban Rube! Garis Kaleo! Garis Kale! Garis Kale! Garis Kale!
That's the market. Main market. Coconut crabs. If you've never seen one, coconut crabs being sold here.
Most likely came from Low, from the place that you were taking out yesterday.
All right.
That's the main quality of work.
Okay. That's the municipality. Is any?
This is a little museum they have here. Little Coke bottles, sword, all different things from the ship. And President Coolidge in here. A lot of things that they dug up. This is more stuff from the Coolidge. Well, this is the Coolidge Museum. An old 45, 1911 45. Some grenades. Nice blue glass. Dinnerware. Oh, little diagrams of the ship, instruction model. So you can build that. It's pretty neat. Personal dive harness. Where's our divers at? Hello. Nobody down there. Couple books here. Couple bombs. Oh, porthole. Some shells and documents here. Passports. Certificate of discharge here. Bet that made everybody happy there. Alright. And more stuff here. Some bottles of Coke that still have Coke in them there, so. Yeah. Oh, you can buy the Coke bottles too. Huh. Here we got some sous here. What is this? Like soap?
And everything still remains. This is Unity Park to your right. It's where all the activities that happen.
Oh, little watermelons back here.
Watermelons, yes.
They were light colored ones.
Yes.
Light green.
With little ducks, green stripes.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, I see some more here, yeah.
This is just the one street town. It's a lot bigger because the admiral who was here then wanted 4 tanks to go at one time. So the road here is a lot bigger than the one in Port Vila. Biggest supermarket in town, to your left, LCM. Casino, Summer Sports Club.
The reason why we brought you guys here, thank you again to be on this tour. This is the Luganville Channel. Back during the war, we have 4 entrances. There's one on this side, 2 you can see, and 1 on that side. So this island in front of us is Tutuba. The long skinny one is Tutuba, and the little one is Pokisa, and the one in front of us is Aure Island. So we have 1 entrance in the south and 3 on this side. During the war, this island, Santo, as you have known, was the biggest military base in World War II after the Pearl Harbor got bombed away in Hawaii. So it was the secret base. They had to block all the entrances because in the channel is 200 meters deep. So it could bring anything, submarines and other big ships. So they blocked this side of the entrance and that one on that side, not the one in between, and the one in south. This was the secret safe entrance between Pokisa and Tutuba. But the rest were all blocked with mine. And there's always a patrol boat outside that's supposed to escort any ships that was from the American Army into the channel. President Coolidge didn't have the chance. The patrol boat had to refuel, and then they lost communication, came in the wrong entrance, sank on their own friendly mine.
Okay.
After the war ended in 1947, then they removed all the mines, so now it's a good entrance to come in, safe entrance now. All the mines are gone. That's the reason why they blocked it. It's the deep, it's very deep, brings anything in. So today it's safe, you can come back, and then other ships coming in now, it's all right. Yeah, I just want to show you the location of the mines laid in the channel entrances coming in. That's a safe entrance. So as soon as you come in, there's a white cross down in the ocean. Come straight on the cross, turn 90, straight in there, and you miss all the mines.